Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on visualizing Landsat 8 satellite imagery using Google Earth Engine. Today we will be working with Landsat 8 collection 2 top of atmosphere TOA data, filtering it for the year 2023 and displaying a true color composite over Kathmandu. We'll also define a polygon for an area and visualize it to the map. So let's get started. First you need to come to code editor and you can type this link there directly, or you can search Google Earth Engine and navigate to the code editor to reach here. So first we need to load the Landsat 8 image collection, and we are using datasets of Landsat, that is D1 TOA. For this I will start by giving the first location, then following consecutively to reach what we want. So initially, if you are defining any area, you need to give a location to understand where you are giving the points. So first I'm adding I'm adding a point so that it will be easy for me to navigate to the location. Currently I'm using the coordinate of Kathmandu, so I have the coordinate of Kathmandu and going to use that coordinate for the display. This is anywhere in Kathmandu, so this is the point data. Now I will load the Landsat data. So I'm using Landsat 8 image, so I need to create a variable, and the name of the variable I'm giving here is image. To load the data, you need this code snippet or example. So yeah. Sorry, it should be capital Landsat slash have c 08. This is for true plus D1 underscore TOA. Okay. After this, this is the collection of the image, and right after this you need to filter date, like filter date. I'll just enter here so that I can navigate in next line. Filter date. Now you can give the start date and end date, like for example, here, for example, if I want the data in between 2023 to anywhere in between the year, then simply give the data like this. This is the range of the data. Let's go. Then you can also filter the area or location, let's say location, and we are filtering right now based on point data, right? Then for selecting any image, you can just simply select median of the overall image, or you can have first image or any other option you want to take. Here we are selecting the image from January to December 2023, and we are computing the median to median, so that the whole coverage of the image will be captured. And now let's define the visualization so that we can display our image. For the visualization, you can make one parameters for visualization, I will write visual params normally to define, and to define this you need to use this type code snippet. So you can go here and define the bands first. We have a number of bands in started image, so we are selecting limited bands like 3 bands to visualize. In this case I'm using green, red and anir band to display the image. Sorry, red, green and blue band for displaying the image, which define that it is a color composite. So you can go here and define the minimum value at 0, then followed by maximum value of you can choose the different value. I'm using this value so that it will match the visualization. I'm applying gamma correction so that the visualization will not affect. Okay, once we create this visualization parameter, now we can go for displaying the output. In this case I am going to map add layer, then select the image, then define add the visual parameters, and you can define any name to display. For example, I'm using Landsat true color composite, since we are displaying in RGB format. Also I want to use one more code right here to center object. This will automatically navigate your location. I'm using point location for the center, and this is the zoom level up to how much you want to zoom the area. Once I finally write this code, now you can run the entire code. For this I have just used a shortcut Ctrl plus enter. Otherwise you can just click here on the run and you can see the result. Yeah, it's down here you can see uh, an image that is loaded. This is the median that we took in between the time of 2023 to January to December. This is how you can add any Saturn image. I have given an example of Landsat 8, and you can take any other images like Landsat 8 or any other option you have. Similarly, if you want to load any polygon data, I have one code snippet. You can directly uh, give the coordinate like 4 corner coordinate of the uh, area you want to select, or you can directly load. For example, in this case I'm just giving 4 corner coordinate like first, second, third, fourth coordinate. You need to define geometry.polygon and give the coordinates to draw the polygon, and you can simply navigate to that navigate, or you can just use map.center object to navigate to that location, and you can use map.add layer area. That area is the variable name that I have defined before. Yeah, this is how you can also draw the polygon. And in any case, if we are doing visualization or spatial analysis or any kind of analysis that relates to spatial location, the foremost thing that you need is raster and vector. This is why I have made this tutorial, and later on while going through other content we will continue to work with other things. Yeah, that's all for today, and thank you for watching.